So my miter saw stand, I'm wanting to put like little shelves under here, just so that I can store stuff, like it'll be maybe a tape measure, a ruler, pencils. What I realised when I was looking into it, it's got a wee T-track under it, and I can get a bolt and we can just slide it in. So if I get a couple of them and slide them in, and we can hang the shelf unit off those, hopefully. So I think this is actually going to be a very easy, quick project. So I'm going to have one shelf on this side and one wee shelf on the other side. So it'll be just 2 shelves, just to hold some stuff. As I said, tape measures, rulers, a couple of pencils and other bits and pieces, just so that it's always handy at the miter saw. And since I can't make a proper miter saw station, because I actually have nowhere to make it, I thought this would be the next best option. Let's see if I can do it. Let's go and make something. So I went dumpster diving, and when I say dumpster diving, I mean in this corner here. And I've found a couple of 12mm ply that I reckon I'll be able to get most of it from. So it's not the best of ply. For me, it doesn't actually have to look pretty, and I just want it to work. But on saying that, it's not a bad piece of ply. So since this piece is a little bit bowed, I'm actually using a clamp to push it down, and it keeps it flat on the bed. Come 50mm in. That side. 50mm in from this side. So I'm flipping it over just so we don't get tear out. I'll just do a wee test fit to see if I can actually get this to work. That should work. I've been able to bolt that onto it there like that. I'm going to use a fair bit of glue on this because the boards are not the best, but I'm also going to tack it as well. Both, don't I? So as you can see, it's not the best of ply, but it'll be alright. It should be fine. slowly work our way around. That's bright. Turn that off. Oh, I can't see. And now I can't remember what I was going to say. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.